from Michael and Linda?
This is from Sue Henry from Linda and Uncle Blake.
Put them together here.
Yeah, look at that.
And Julia.
We'll do that last.
Okay.
I think you'll get mine.
Wait, let me see what's together.
Oh, Diane, this is beautiful.
You like three? You like your outfit?
Four.
That's from
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Where did you get?
He got four.
It sounds like you like it.
Yes.
Beautiful. Look at how nice they made it. Is it
Alright.
10, 12?
All right, Julia, what do you have?
Right, Diane?
I got socks.
Yeah. And the
Cool.
box,
What else?
'cause they,
And I don't know what this is yet. This is for someone else.
Who's that from?
Sticker Factory.
Henry Jackson.
This is from.
oh, beautiful. Yeah. Look at beautiful thing. Wow.
Linda and Michael.
What is it?
It's a sticker maker.
Cool. What do you think?
Cool.
What do you say?
Look at the children.
Thank
Julia, up here.
you. Merry Christmas.
Alright,
And
you guys
Happy New Year.
open up your shared
And,
gift.
and the shared one.
Ooh, I wonder what this is.
Linda?
Where'd you look at?
Yeah.
Ow. Sorry. You mind? Zuka. How do you pronounce this? It sounds like Zuka.
Zureka?
You have to build a zoo.
No, Maria, wait.
All right, guys, what do you say?
Thank you.
Back up, back up.
Thank you. Thank you.
And
Okay, wait,
wish
wait,
them
wait,
a
wait.